You're looking mighty fine and sweet. I would like to get you in my hands and give you a squeeze. Yes, I would.
Did you finish the... Oh, hey, yeah.
You cannot be looking at that.
I know, but look at that. You gotta admit, that is a great
set of bongos. One's bigger than the other one, though.
I mean, that's pretty common.
Yeah, I got them for my band. Really adds a new dimension to my songs.
I mean, I can see that. Fusion music is totally in. But hey, did you know Batsu was looking at?
Oh, yes. You know, when we hired him, I didn't think we'd be paying him to just sit around at his desk sneaking a peek at those
sweater puppets. It's really a lost art, but ever since I started selling them, my Etsy store is really blowing up.
Okay, truly an odd craft there, but I'm not gonna knock that hustle.
Guys, did y'all hear about Batsu's transgressions?
Oh.
Apparently, Gabe walked by and caught him staring at some
fun bags. I thought grab bags was a little bit of a stale name. So I think that this one will bring a little bit more life to the product.
I'll think about it. This whole Batsu fiasco is just getting out of hand, though. That idiot was sitting there oogling
a couple of hooters. Cute little owls. I love them. Look at them. Aren't they so adorable?
It's true. No human can resist the innocence of a sweet little baby owl. Batsu, on the other hand, he needs to resist some of his urges. I heard he was looking at it.
Pear melons, huh?
Yeah, man, it's a new flavor. I'm staring at this page all day and I want it so bad.
Man. Pear apple melon. That does look pretty good.
Yeah, bro.
What were you thinking?
You sick bastards.
Despicable.
Finish that project.